In this video, we will be discussing the ONWOTE 16-channel NVR PoE security camera system, a powerful solution for both home and business security needs. I have provided the Amazon link to this security camera system in the description below if you want to know the latest price and check the reviews from people who have already purchased it. This system stands out with its advanced facial recognition feature, which helps reduce false alarms and saves storage by distinguishing between humans, animals, and vehicles. It's particularly useful for businesses or homes that need accurate alerts without constant monitoring. One of the highlights is ONWOTE's AcuSearch technology, which allows you to instantly locate specific events or suspects, making video searches and criminal tracking extremely fast. Combined with AI-driven color night vision, this system ensures you can identify people or vehicles even in low-light conditions, as the cameras automatically activate warm lights for clear night footage. The cameras themselves deliver 6MP high-definition video with a wide 122 degrees field of view, ensuring that large areas are monitored with incredible detail. They also capture audio, allowing you to record environmental sounds along with video, which can be critical for thorough monitoring. Installation is straightforward thanks to Power over Ethernet (PoE) technology, meaning a single cable handles both power and data, reducing clutter and simplifying setup. With support for up to 16 channels and 12MP cameras, the system is highly expandable. While it is a wired solution, the reliability and stability it offers make it ideal for serious security setups. Overall, the ONWOTE system is robust, professional, and feature-rich, balancing cutting-edge technology with practical functionality. Whether it's for a commercial property or a large home, it provides comprehensive coverage with smart features that genuinely make a difference.